Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said it best. Man la yashkur nas la yashkur Allah. If you're not thankful to people, you can't possibly be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses people to get stuff done. If you can't be thankful for what they did and all of the benefits that we benefit from their work, how are you going to be thankful to Allah? How? How? We should look at what they did. And we begin to put pressure on our governments, the local governments, the national government, the same way that they did. One of the things that they did, that they united, even though they had their differences. They had their differences, and there's always going to be that in the Muslim community. There's going to be differences. But you can unite and not be uniform. There's a difference. Right? Everybody don't have to do exactly the same thing. They don't have to look exactly the same way. They ain't got to say exactly the same thing, right? But the goal is the same. Ila rabbika muntaha. Right? To our Lord. That's the return. That's the ultimate destination. How will we be when we get there? What are we preparing? Right? Like we have a special, unique situation here in America. Wallahi, we do. There's so much that we can influence in the world if we just get to work. We have to get to work. Right? Take your rest. You know, when things don't go our way, take your rest. But don't be impatient. Like Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told Khabab ibn al-Arat. Like, don't be impatient. And if anybody could be impatient, it was him. It was him. Right? We have no excuse. We have no excuse. We have to get to work.